Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to sign in or log in to your Weverse account. So first of all, launch Weverse application on your mobile devices. Once you come to the app's interface, at the bottom of your screen, you'll see the option of Login. Tap on it. Now over here you'll see various options to log in. You can continue with email, continue with your Apple ID, sign in with Google, and even continue with your Twitter or X account. For now, let's select the option of continue with email. Now all you would have to do is enter your email and password of your Weverse account that you had used in order to create your account here. So let's start by entering our email. Here we go. Now let's enter the password of our Weverse account. Now, in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option of reset your password so that you could recover your account. After you have entered your credentials, simply tap on the option of login. With that, you will successfully be able to log in to your Weverse account. So, that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.